Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about a premium residential project, Eldico Wow on Yamuna Expressway. We'll look at who Eldico Group is, the details of the project and why the Yamuna Expressway is one of the hottest destinations for real estate investment. Eldico Group is a well-known and trusted developer in North India. Over the years, they have delivered high-rise apartments, villas, plotted developments in large townships. Their focus on quality construction, timely delivery and customer satisfaction had made them a reliable name in real estate. Now let's talk about the project itself. Eldico Wow, also called as Whispers of Wonder. This project is located in Sector 22D Yamuna Expressway, Greater Noida and spreads across 5 acres of land. It has 3 high-rise towers, each with 32 floors, offering around 574 luxury apartments. The project mainly features 3 BHK apartments along with penthouses for those seeking a more premium lifestyle. Eldico has used advanced MyWin technology in construction, which ensures strength and durability. The flats have an impressive 11-foot ceiling height, giving a more open and spacious feel. Each tower has 5 high-speed lifts and only 6 flats per floor, which adds privacy and convenience. Most importantly, Eldico Wow is RERA approved, giving complete security and transparency to buyers. The price starts at around 1.5 crores for 3 BHK depending on the size and layout. The biggest highlight of this project is its location on the Yamuna Expressway. This 165-kilometer expressway connects Greater Noida with Agra and also links smoothly to Delhi and Noida. In the past few years, the region has seen rapid growth in property values. Land prices have increased multiple times and the apartments have shown strong appreciation. The future looks even brighter with upcoming developments like the Xavier International Airport, the proposed film city, electronics and industrial hubs, and the ERA's master plan for smart infrastructure. All of this is set to boost both demand and property prices in the area. When you combine Eldico's strong reputation, the premium design and features of Eldico Wow, and the growth potential of the Yamuna Expressway, this project stands out to be both a lifestyle upgrade and a smart investment. So if you're looking for a luxury home or a property with long-term growth potential, Eldico Wow is worth serious consideration. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more real estate updates. And if you want to know more details about this project, you can contact us directly on the number showing on your screen. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.